I registered a limited company. When am I due to file the accounts? Company accounts are usually filed 12 months after the date of registration. For example, if you registered Top Limited on 10 September 2024, your year-end will be 30th September 2025. Companies House then allows a further 9 months to submit your accounts. In this example, the filing deadline would be 30th June 2026. When can I file my company corporation tax return? You can file your corporation tax return up to 12 months after the end of your company's accounting period. However, the corporation tax payment itself must be made within 9 months and 1 day after the year end. Do I face penalties if I file late? Yes. Both Companies House and HMRC charge penalties for late filing unless you can demonstrate a reasonable excuse. The later you file, the higher the penalty. How do I pay my corporation tax? You will need your unique corporation tax payment reference provided by HMRC. Payments can be made online through the HMRC website at www.hmrc.gov.uk by searching Pay Corporation Tax. When is my personal tax return due? The personal tax year runs from 6 April to 5 April of the following year. For example, the 2024-2025 tax year covers 6 April 2024 to 5 April 2025. Online returns must be filed by 31st January 2026 for this tax year, and any tax due must also be paid by that date. Can I change my company year end? Yes. You can apply to Companies House to shorten or extend your company's year end, but there are restrictions on how often this can be done. What records do I need to keep for my company? You must keep records of all income, expenses, invoices, receipts, bank statements, and any other documents that support your accounts and tax returns. HMRC requires records to be kept for at least 6 years. Do I still need to file if my company made no income? Yes. Even if your company has not traded, you are still required to file accounts and a confirmation statement with Companies House, and usually a corporation tax return with HMRC showing nil figures. What is a confirmation statement and when is it due? A confirmation statement, formerly annual return, is a yearly filing that confirms your company details, directors, shareholders, registered office, etc. are up to date. It must be filed at least once every 12 months. How do I register for VAT and when is it required? You must register for VAT if your taxable turnover exceeds £90 2024-25 threshold in a 12-month period, or if you expect to exceed this in the next 30 days. Registration can be done online via HMRC. What happens if I miss a payment deadline? Late payments of corporation tax or personal tax may result in interest charges and penalties from HMRC. It's always best to pay early or set up reminders. Can I take money out of my company freely as a director? No. Money taken from the company must be properly recorded as either salary, dividend, expense reimbursement, or a director's loan. Each has different tax implications.